Hello! Today is the November release from Concord 9th, and I'm so excited to introduce you to the innovative and fun Hexagon designer die. I used this die to create a variety of cards in different designs and patterns. So let's get started. For my first card, I've die cut the hexagon to use as a template. I also die cut the panel from gold glitter black and white cardstock and reserved all the tiny hexagons. I placed the template over a piece of black cardstock and used purple tape to temporarily adhere it into place. Next, I apply a dot of adhesive to the center of the hexagon and then use the crystal katana to adhere the hexagon piece in each spot. This is a great project for TV watching. From start to finish, the first panel took me about 13 minutes, and it's a fun, unique way to create interesting patterns. I repeat this process working a few hexagons at a time until I've completed my pattern. Then I carefully remove the purple tape and peel up the template. It's important to remove the template while the liquid adhesive is still wet, just in case some adhesive got on the template. I use the pointy end of the crystal katana to keep the hexagons in place while I remove the template. Next, I create a second panel using a white base with red, light aqua, and teal cardstock. I finish the card with sentiments die cut from the new tall type alphabet dies. My next two cards use the hexagon die with the accompanying long zigzag dies. This is a much faster way to create patterns with the hexagon die. I start by adhering a piece of adhesive to the back of a panel of white cardstock. Then I die cut that panel with the hexagon die. I pop out all of the hexagons and reserve them for a future card. Next, I die cut the long zigzag dies from a rainbow of colored cardstock scraps. The dies are designed so that they just have to be lined up against each other and they'll fit perfectly behind the full panel die. So I line up my first strip of cardstock on the back of the panel and press it to the adhesive. Then I simply arrange my rainbow of zigzags across the panel. Once I've finished, I simply trim the excess bits off the panel and reserve them for a future card. Next, I adhere the rainbow panel to a card base. Then I die cut the older Hey There dies from black cardstock and vellum and adhere them together with liquid adhesive. I apply adhesive to the vellum by hiding it behind the black cardstock and adhere it to the rainbow panel. I also create a second rainbow panel and add a sentiment from the new Kindness Blooms dies. And that's it! I hope this gives you some ideas for how to use the new Hexagon Designer die. There are so many fun ways to use this die, and I hope you'll check out the rest of the new Concord 9th release because I've only just scratched the surface of this fantastic release. Thanks so much for watching, have a fabulous day, and happy crafting! Bye!